Hey guys, welcome to another solopreneur finance tutorial. In this video, I'm going to do a comparison between Wise and Revolut. So, which is going to be better for your financial management? Both of these platforms, like Wise, like Revolut, are going to be financial apps or financial platforms that will help you send, deposit, or receive money from the different accounts all around the world. So for Revolut, it is going to be well known as a professional platform, but the fees are going to be a little bit higher than Wise. But Wise, in the contrary, they have here the lowest fees that you can find on the financial platforms out there, and also they have no hidden fees. And this is something that I have tested into myself. So let's talk about the specific features that you're going to find on Wise and also on Revolut. Let's start up by Wise. Wise is going to have a lower fees for international transfers. They are going to have over 50 currencies into their platform. That is going to be a multi-currency account that you're going to create, of course. They have no subscription required to have something like a premium feature or a premium customer support or something like that. The only con that you're going to find on Wise is going to be the limited features beyond the transfers. So you are going to be very limited in the features. We are going to have only some fast, let's say, transactions, a fluid a transfer between the accounts. Either it is going to be an internal account or an external account. And here we have it. Now, let's turn around for Revolut. Revolut is going to be a very comprehensive digital banking features. It has a lot of investment options, also the budgeting tools not to forget about, and they have tiered subscriptions with varied perks. So it is going to be here a let's say an advantage or a feature and also a little bit of a con. Why? Because the subscriptions are going to cost you money or monthly money, and this is something that we maybe do not prefer into financial apps. So the inconvenient into the Revolut app or the useness of the platform of Revolut is going to have in higher fees for international transfer. I will suggest for you to choose Wise if you're going to make frequently transactions or sending money abroad, which is going to be internationally. And if you need multi-currency business accounts, you should definitely use Wise. You need to use Revolut if you want to have an all-in-one financial app and you prefer feature-rich paid plans. So that means that you're going to have the coverage of the subscription of the app or the platform. Both of the apps are going to be offering great digital banking in 2025, but Wise excels in affordable global transfers or international transfers, while Revolut shines with its diverse financial toolkit. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.